welcome to Healthy Kadai. With Ganesh Chaturthi coming up, I thought of offering healthy modak to Lord Ganesha. To prepare my modak, I am not using khoya or condensed milk or even sugar. The key ingredient here is oats. So let's prepare healthy Oats Jaggery Modak today. Before moving to the video, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll take 1 cup of oats. These are instant oats. We need to dry roast oats on medium flame. Whenever we are using oats, it's always advisable to dry roast it. After roasting the oats for 2 to 3 minutes, you will see that the color of the oats will turn little brown. At this stage, we'll turn off the flame. And now we'll cool down the oats completely. Cool it at room temperature, do not keep it in refrigerator. After cooling down the oats completely, then we'll transfer it in a mixer grinder jar. Into this we'll add few nuts. Here I have cashew nuts, almonds and pista. We'll just add few nuts at the moment and then we need to grind it completely. Into this mixture, we'll add half a cup of jaggery or gur. Instead of jaggery, one can also use shakkar, which is powdered jaggery. You can increase or decrease the quantity of jaggery as per the sweetness desired. Now we'll again grind it. My oats jaggery mixture is ready. We'll transfer it in a bowl. Here I have chopped cashew nuts, almonds, pista. You can basically use any nuts of your choice. And now in order to make modak, we need to bind this mixture. For binding, we'll use Desi Ghee. Here goes 1 tablespoon of Desi Ghee and 1 more. Then we'll mix it well. Do not add Desi Ghee in one go. I'll also be using little milk to bind this mixture well. Just add little milk. Our mixture is ready. Let's prepare modak. Here I am using this modak mold. This mold is easily available in market and I have also shared a Best Buy link in the description box. You can check out and order it on Amazon too. So firstly, we'll grease the mold with little ghee and then we'll take a mixture. You can prepare small balls using it and then we'll place the mixture. Stuff it completely and our modak is ready. Just look at this one. It has turned out so beautiful. Let me prepare other modaks too. And likewise we have prepared another one too. If you do not have this modak mold, then you can easily make modak. I'll tell you how to make it. Just prepare ball using the material and we will give it a shape of modak. Press it gently like this. In this manner. And now with the help of a toothpick, we can make marks like this. So like this you can prepare modak without using mold. So friends, I have prepared all the modaks. You can see it has turned out so delicious and so tempting. Friends, do try out this modak recipe. I am sure you will really like the taste, the crunchiness of oats and the nuts and the sweetness which is imparted by jaggery. Do let me know how does it turn out for you. Don't forget to share your pictures on Facebook and Instagram with me. I hope you liked watching our today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.